Welcome back to our weekly video. This is Devasi Experiment Series, and today we're going to test some eggs inside our vacuum chamber. We're going to put the eggs inside the vacuum chamber. These are raw whole eggs, and we're going to place two inside this glass bowl so we can see what happens. And we're going to do a quick test. Let's see. Let's press start. We are going to go all the way to -800 mBar. I've set the vacuum setting inside the chamber to be able to go all the way to -800 mBar, which is a lot. And we'll see what happens with these eggs. -370 mBar, and the eggs are totally okay. We are reaching -500 mBar. Nothing seems to be happening to the eggs. Reaching almost -700 mBar. I think these eggs are not going to crack at all. Let's stop. Okay, whole eggs inside a vacuum chamber all the way to -700 mBar, and nothing happened. Next, we're going to make a small opening in the eggshell and see what happens when we put it inside the vacuum chamber and set it again to -800 mBar. We're gonna make a small opening on the eggshell. We're gonna put in 2 eggs that have been cracked with an opening, and now we're going to set the vacuum chamber to -800 mBar. Vacuum level is reaching -600 mBar. As you can see, the egg with the opening on the top started to leak, but the egg with the opening on the bottom did not. Vacuum level is reaching -600 mBar, and the opening with the egg on the top is very leaky. Finally, we're gonna test some eggs that have been cracked open and poured inside this container. It's a see-through container, so we can see what's gonna happen. And we're gonna subject these to extreme vacuum. So now we have 5 eggs inside our container. So let's see if we can make an omelet. Vacuum level is reaching -380 mBar. As we've seen in prior videos, when we put water inside the vacuum chamber and set it to a certain level of vacuum, water starts to bubble or boil. So let's see what kind of thing happens with egg. As the vacuum chamber reaches -800 mBar, we can see tiny little bubbles generating from the bottom and slowly flowing upwards inside the eggs. As the pressure returns to normal, all the bubbles that had been created inside the bowl were gone. And now we can see it hasn't been cooked at all. They stayed raw. So what we can see if it can start to boil, but it doesn't really cook. Interesting. That's it for today. We hope to see you again next week for our new video. And if you have any ideas on new experiments, don't forget to comment.